Welcome to Japan. Today on our final Osakan day we're going to catch a Shinkansen back to Tokyo. You will see the beautiful scenery as we ride back through the fields of Japan. You will also see the beautiful Mount Fuji or Fuji-yama as we learn more about the mountain. Enjoy this spectacular trip. On our last day, as we explored one of the shopping arcades in the district of Shinsaibashi, we saw the Pika-chu or the lightning mouse at the Pokemon Center. Just like every single shopping arcade that we saw here in Osaka, this one is no different. Filled with coffee shops, restaurants and stores, you will find just about anything here. For example, check this futuristic design at the UniQlo clothing store. By the way, UniQlo was founded in Hiroshima in 1984. Heading further into the Shinsaibashi Suji shopping arcade, here you will find the places like KrispyKreme, Starbucks and Subway, to name a few. Now we got all the way to the JR Shin-Osaka Station to catch our Shinkansen or the bullet train. Buying the tickets is very easy and you can do it either through the machines or in person. See my Shinkansen Experience video for more info. Right now it is 14:40 and we're waiting to board our Nozomi train, the fastest bullet train in Japan with speeds reaching up to 300 km per hour or 186 miles per hour. Like I mentioned in more detail in my Shinkansen Experience video, from the Shin-Osaka Station to the Shinagawa Station, it is only 4 stops via Nozomi. The stops are the Kyoto Station, the Nagoya Station, the Shin-Yokohama Station and the Shinagawa Station. It is a pleasant experience to ride these bullet trains as that they are very fast, very quiet and you can drink and dine on them. And there are bathrooms in the train as well. Besides, the Shinkansen has an amazing safety record with no train accident injuries nor train accident fatalities since it has been in service from 1964 to present.
電車はのぞみ号東京行きです。途中の停車駅は京都、名古屋、新横浜、品川です。この電車は全席禁煙となっております。おタバコを吸われるお客様は
As you can see, there are 4 seats in a row in each car, with most Shinkansen having 16 train cars, which have a capacity to carry about 1,300 people at once.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will soon make a brief stop at Kyoto. Passengers going to the Tokaido, San, Kosei,
The 3 tall buildings in front of you from left to right are the JR Gate Tower, the JR Central Head Office, and the Nagoya Marriott Hotel on the right. By the way, this is the Nagoya Station, which means there is only the Shin-Yokohama Station and the Shinagawa Station left before our arrival to Tokyo. There's the beautiful Mount Fuji or Fuji-yama, which is also known as the Fujisan. Do you see it peeking on the right? Mount Fuji, standing at an incredible 3,776 meters or 12,388 feet, is truly an impressive mountain with the highest peak in Japan. By height, it is ranked number 35 in the world, and in fact, it is roughly comparable to the Mount Rainier in Washington State, USA, ranking number 21 in the world, whose height is 4,393 meters or about 14,412 feet. Located on the Honshu Island, which is the main island in Japan, Mount Fuji is an active stratovolcano. Thankfully, the last time it erupted was over 300 years ago in 1707 and 1708. It is actually fascinating, but because the mountain is so close, only about 100 kilometers or 62 miles away from Tokyo, you can virtually see it anywhere from Tokyo on a clear day. What's cool, pun intended, is that you can actually hike up the mountain in the summer. In the winter, however, the access is closed due to the dangerous conditions. In the spring, a lot of beautiful flowers bloom at its base. Mount Fuji is on the World Heritage List for natural sites in Japan and is considered Japan's holy mountain. I was lucky to capture the shot of the Fujisan on this clear day. Of course, if you have an opportunity, I would highly recommend visiting the mountain itself. This trip was awesome and I hope you enjoyed being part of this beautiful journey. Until next time. And if you want to see more awesome videos, then make sure to follow, subscribe, like, and of course hit that bell down below so that you do not miss any of my new content. See you in my next video.